Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Storytale Cakes. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make these gorgeous metallic cakes. So I'm going to show you how to do the silver one and the gold one as well. I get a lot of questions on how to make metallic cakes, so I thought I'd make a tutorial to walk you through step by step how I achieve the perfect paint consistency for them. So let's get started. Before we decorate our cake, we need to cover it. So I've got here in a bit of grey and in yellow. The reason why we do this is if we leave it completely white, you'll find that when you paint onto it, it's not really that extra gold or that extra silver. We're going to do different methods to achieve different gold and silver tones. So if you have a look here, I've got pure lustre dust, water and lustre dust. I've got vanilla extract that has 35% alcohol and rose spirit that has 95% alcohol. So that is pure lustre dust by itself. So the only thing with this one is sometimes you find little specks go out. Let's go for the gold. And if you notice, if I didn't pre-color this yellow, the gold wouldn't really stand out as well. Same thing for the silver. Next up, I'm mixing it with just plain water. You see how with water, it kind of doesn't want to mix together. So this is why when you use water, it doesn't really give that effect with water. It kind of just sinks into it. So that's the effect of water. Let's try the gold, see if it makes any difference. Now we know water is a no-no. Next up I have some vanilla essence. This has a 35% alcohol ratio, so with alcohol it's going to help the lustre dust dry more, and we'll see if this actually shines onto the fondant. So this one's mixing a lot better than the water, less clunkier. But let's see how it actually looks when we paint it. It is a little bit runny though, and you can see the streak marks. And let's try it with the gold. I think it works better on the silver. This almost looks like it's like the water texture. Last but not least, we're going to try the Cake Decorator's Rose Spirit. This one has the highest content of alcohol. So this is giving us a nice paint-like consistency. It's not as runny as all the other ones. Oh, this one's really running. Check out this one. Ooh, oh my gosh. That just looks like foil. Check it out. Okay, sorry, getting sidetracked. Back to this. So this is like a paint-like consistency. It's not too thick, but not too thin as well. Wow guys, I'm loving the Rose Spirit. It is definitely the winner. Because of the high alcohol content, it dries the fondant faster and you can clearly see the reduction of brush strokes. Now we can see the difference between the mixtures. I would say pure lustre dust is quite nice, but it's just hard to paint smaller areas because it's a bit dusty. With the water and lustre dust, we know that that kind of sinks into the fondant, so I probably wouldn't recommend this one. Vanilla extract has 35% alcohol, so it's pretty good, but then I feel like it still creates a bit of brush strokes. And last but not least is the Rose Spirit, which has the highest amount of alcohol, and I think that it will dry fastest, giving it the best finish. So now I'm going to take this method that we did with the Rose Spirit and alcohol and paint it all over the cake. I just love seeing that silver transition, and I would recommend trying to paint it in long strokes because it will reduce the streak marks. And then you can just use a big fluffy brush to blend it all together. Do you guys ever just paint because you want to see the transition of one color to the other? Something about it is just so satisfying. So every time I get like a gold cake request, I get so excited because I'm like, yes, I get to turn it gold. As always, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for next week's tutorial because I'll be showing you how to make a baby shower cake. We're going to build upon the cakes that we've already made and turn it into a really cute baby shower cake. And if you guys enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you soon.